Hello people, and I hope you're all fine. Okay, let's start today's video. That will be use of less command. Okay, what is this less command? Less command is nothing but is like it is weaving some content in a what page format, in a page like one page, two page, like a book. You flip this book like one page, two page like this, right? That is how the less command is used. It will also help what reading in reading the large files without overwhelming the terminal, like without filling all the terminal, like every width of the terminal, you don't need to get confused reading where is this line, where is that line. It will just work like a book. It will just work like a book. Let me show you an example. Let's say that see, I have some files. Let me delete some files. Okay, let me delete file1.txt and file2.txt and exit file. Okay, not exit file, file1 file underscore file.txt. Okay, so there is some content inside our exit file. Okay, I'll go exit file, then I'll add some more. Okay, I'll add some more. That will be this is the line of King of India after the war. Let's just imagine something of the road. I'm just typing some content. Okay, don't worry about the content, it's totally wrong. Okay, let's say that you need to use less command, less less command, then exit. What is this doing? So this is the page 1. Okay, this is the page 1. The last sentence, if you need to use, see, this is the page 1 and this is the page 2. Yeah, this is the page 3, like that. Let's go for the page and this is the page 1. So how do you navigate it? If you use space bar, it will move one screen. Okay, if you use space bar, it will move one screen. If you use enter, it will move one line. Okay, let me say, if you use enter, it will move only one line downwards. Okay, if you use B, it will move backwards one screen. If you use B, I'm not using any. If you need to move backwards, then you need to go frontwards, right? You need to use space bar. Then you need to use B, that will go backwards. Okay. Okay, now you moved forward one line. You need to move backwards one line. You need to use Y. It will move backwards one line. Okay, not a one screen. Okay. Using the G, if you use G, it will go to the end of that file. Okay, that is what it is, G. Then if you use 1 and G, it will go to the first file. Let me say I'm in the last, I need to go for first. I'll use 1 and G, it will go to the first line or something, first, or let me say it is a beginning, it will go to the beginning. Okay. The next argument that I can use, let me quit this. Okay, if you need to quit, you need to use Q. Okay, let's say that I need to display line by line. Yes, I need to use capital letter N and capital letter N, then the file name. That will display the content which is in the file with numeric format or numbered format, not numeric, numbered 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. Okay, the next argument which I am showing is that, let's say there is a multiple files, like let's create another file that is called exit2.txt. let's import something. Okay, let's import some content. Okay, don't worry about the content, worry about the what I'm showing. Okay, there is some two files. Now I need to print this files in less, so you can use for multi files also. Instead of using it for a single file, you can use for multiple also. That will display the multi files content also. Okay, Let's go for the next one. Okay. Let's say the file exit.txt will be compressed or will be converted into zip file. Let's say .txt. Okay. Now what it is, the exit.txt is been converted to zip file, that is gz. Okay. Now what do you do to see inside that file instead of without unzipping it? What do? You do less and r. Okay, then you need to specify the file .txt, then you can see it anyway. Yes. Oh, it's yeah, it's, I know whenever you are compressing or whenever you are doing zip file, it will do some kind of operation that it's like a reverse engineering or something like that. Okay. Now let's say that you need to start reading from this particular line. Let's say, oh, I need to unzip it, right? For unzipping it, you need to use gunzip, then exit.txt, then the file will be extracted. Okay. Now I say there is like we saw there is a let me show you. I showed you there is more than 10 lines, right? There is more than 10 lines, but let's see, I need to read it from 5th line. That will be catch me if you can. Okay. Can I do like that? Yes, you can do with using +5 the file name, it will be file.txt. You can read it from particular line. The 5th line will be catch me if you can, so that you can read it from that particular line. That is what use of it. The next argument will be using less -i. So it is basically to perform the case insensitive searches. Okay, so it is used to search case insensitive, like which is not insensitive case. I guess you know that what is sensitive and case insensitive. So if there is any case insensitive, then it will display to perform this particular insensitive. Then if you need to search any insensitive, then it is used to search particular insensitive is in a file. Sorry, I'm just repeating that. Sorry for that. It is just use of that is just a use of -i command. Okay. Sorry for repeating everything, like okay. The last second will be using help command, the help argument. That will help if you don't know how to use the less command, it will help how to do that. The last one will be using version. It will show the version number and it will show the people who wrote this code, who wrote this particular less program to be executed in this Linux platform. So that is all up, guys, and thank you for watching.